I don't know why it took this long for me to show you guys how I make my Kajiji Turarenwuta, but here you go, guys. This is one of my most requested videos. I cannot count the number of times that people come to my DM and ask me how do I make my Kajiji and what are the oils I use in making my Kajiji. So here you go, guys. So after frying my kajiji, this is just the process of how I make my kajiji to smell amazing. This my kajiji is one of the best kajiji you can get wherever you are in this world. It is nice, heavenly scented, long lasting, and also medicinal. So this is me adding luban. Luban is frankincense. You need to turn your frankincense into powder, like a very fine, beautiful powder. Then you add your luban. Then I am going to add my oil. This oil I'm adding is an oil mixture, like a mixture of different types of traditional oils. And the oils I like using, I'm gonna name two for you guys because I don't want my kajiji to smell like your own kajiji. Like I said, my kajiji is the best kajiji in this world. So I like using Jannatul Naim and I like using sandal oil and I also like using Escada perfume. So you can just mix this and add other oils of your choice. This oil you're seeing here is black wood surati. I got this quantity to make this black wood. If you want to get the whole canister, you can get it. And if you're on a budget like me, you can just get 12 mils for a very reasonable price. Then I will be going ahead and I will be adding my jawhara. So I want my kajiji to be nice, traditional and sweet at the same time for people that love sweet fragrance. I want this kajiji recipe right here is one I would love everybody to try and to just appreciate. So I'm not only using traditional oils or woody oils, I introduced the oriental oils so that people that are not familiar with woody strong fragrance will love it and appreciate it because my kajiji is one kajiji that goes everywhere in this world. I have customers in US, UK, in Nigeria, Niger, and other part of the world that like my kajiji. So I'm not making this kajiji in my own traditional Maiduguri way. I introduced other like modern methods of making charawuta, modern oils so that it will be accepted wherever it goes in this world. And then I added my yara yara. I love using yara yara hemani. You can use cobra, but like I said, I love using Hemani Yarara. It smells way more better than the Cobra, and there's this effect that this Hemani Yarara gives. The white color sticks to the Kajiji balls, while if you're using the Cobra, it penetrates into the Kajiji. Like Kajiji is the Turarenwuta that steals oils. Oh my god, no matter the amount of oils you put in Kajiji, except you flood the bucket with oils, but like if you put a reasonable amount, like enough amount of oils in your kajiji, when you come back after a week, trust me girl, you will not find any oil in your kajiji. Kajiji soaks up oil so well, and that's one thing I love about Kajiji. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please like my video, comment Kajiji if you enjoyed this video. Assalamu alaikum. See you in the next one. Bye.